It would be very helpful if you first try to solve the problem yourself before watching this video.
Question 150. We have y function in terms of x and u function in terms of x. Then what is the value of dy du, right? The derivative of y with respect to u at x equal 2. Okay, using the definition of chain rule, we can rewrite dy du is equal to dy over dx times dx over du, right? Since this dx cancels out, all of this expression is equal to dy over du, right? Here, y is in terms of x. So if we find the derivative of this function, that's going to be dy over dx, right? So we're going to differentiate this function in terms of, with respect to x. So that's going to be dy dx is equal to 6x minus 4, right? Here, we need a dx over du, derivative of x with respect to u, right? Here we have a u function in terms of x. So we're going to rewrite this function x is equal to in terms of u. Okay, so let's rewrite this. Here, 1 over x is equal to 1 minus u. So x is equal to 1 over 1 minus u, right? So that is equal to 1 minus u to the power of negative 1. So let's differentiate this. Differentiate this with respect to u. Then that's going to be dx over du is equal to, here, we have a power negative 1, right? So negative 1 times 1 minus u minus 2 times the chain rule, the derivative of this. That's going to be negative 1, right? So dx over du is equal to negative times negative, positive 1 over 1 minus u squared. Oops, that's a square. So far so good. Okay, so dy over du is equal to dy over dx times dx over du is equal to, here, dy over dx, that's 6x minus 4, right? So 6x minus 4 times dx over du, that's 1 over 1 minus u squared. 1 over 1 minus u squared. And we have to find this derivative when x is equal to 2, right? So I'm going to substitute 2 for x, 2 for x. When x is equal to 2, what is u then? U is 1 minus 1 over 2, which is equal to 1 over 2, right? So when x is equal to, u is 1 over 2. So we're going to have to substitute 1/2 for u, right? So 12 minus 4. 12 minus 4 times 1 over 1 minus 1 over 2 square. So that's a times 1 over 1 minus 1/2, that's 1/2. So 1/2 square. 1/2 square. So that's a times, this is this part right here is a 1 over 4, which is equal to 4, right? So a times 4, that is equal to 32. So the answer is 32.